Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And tonight we're going to talk about finding your joy for cooking, especially when we unleash your keto creativity in the kitchen. You know, beginning a ketogenic lifestyle can feel like you're turning the page to a new chapter in your culinary story. Yes, it may seem that a world of carb-centric comfort foods is off limits, but adopting a keto mindset isn't about restriction. It's the start of an exciting gastronomic exploration. Through the rich tapestry of keto-friendly recipes, you can rediscover the joy of cooking and revitalize your meals without ever feeling deprived. So let's talk about this. The many faces of a keto cuisine. You know, confronting the initial perception that a keto lifestyle equates to a monotonous rotation of steak and salad is your first step to culinary liberation. The reality is that the world of keto eating is as broad and diverse as any diet out there, allowing you to traverse the culinary landscape from spicy Southeast Asian stir-fries to classic European confections, all while maintaining your macros in check. The ketogenic diet is founded upon a plethora of wholesome foods, including succulent meats, creamy cheeses, nutrient-rich leafy greens, and a rainbow of low-carb vegetables. You know, these ingredients become the building blocks for a myriad of creative meals that fuel your body and satisfy your palate. Well, let's talk more about the creative keto kitchen. You know, to breathe excitement into your keto kitchen, be sure to equip yourself with a dash of courage and a sprinkle of curiosity. Experimenting is the key here. Start by swapping out high-carb staples with keto alternatives, such as replacing traditional pasta with zoodles, that is zucchini noodles, or turning cauliflower into a blank canvas, capable of morphing into anything from a pizza crust to a comforting mash. Join online keto communities where thousands of your fellow keto enthusiasts share innovative recipes that challenge the status quo. Join my Keto Recipes group for beginners on Facebook, where you'll have a plethora, an abundance of new keto recipes daily. Pursue the plethora of keto blogs for inspiration on how to twist classic dishes into low-carb delights. The possibilities are truly endless here. Now remember, keep flavor in the front and center. Adhering to keto doesn't mean you must sacrifice the flavor that you savored in your past life. Focus on high-quality, flavorful ingredients like fresh herbs, robust spices, and savory condiments to impart richness and depth to your dishes. The correct seasoning can transform a bland chicken breast into a zesty, mouth-watering masterpiece. Consider cooking as a joyful journey. Remember, cooking should be an enjoyable experience for you, not just a means to an end. Mindfulness in the kitchen, taking the time to savor the aromas, the tastes, and the textures, can transform cooking from a chore into a therapeutic and joyous practice. Invite friends over for a keto cook-off or collaborate on a keto meal prep day. This not only strengthens bonds, but also opens up dialogues about nutrition and wellness, inspiring others to see beyond the bounds of the typical high-carb fare. So here's the takeaway. The notion that keto is limiting is just a myth waiting to be debunked in your very own kitchen. A keto diet invites you to expand your horizons, to play with your food, and to fall in love with cooking again. It's a passionate pursuit of health, flavor, and ultimately satisfaction. Adventures await in your keto kitchen. Embrace each culinary conquest, and don't be afraid to make a splash with something new. Who knows? That next recipe might just be your new go-to. Reminding you every day that keto is not just about cutting carbs, it's about enriching life's flavors. And there you go. I would really appreciate if you liked this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button underneath this video. That would give me the impetus to continue to provide you high quality and content. And thank you so much for doing that. This is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. And we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.